So hello everyone, it's the market decipher again here. I've come back with this video again because yesterday I was on my TikTok live and most of you asked that you wanted to start forex trading but simply didn't know how and where to get started from. So this video is meant for you guys, okay? Because I want us to be moving on the same pace step by step until we all reach the finish line. So to make the video brief and short, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then follow my handles on other platforms. So with that, let me tell you guys, you will need two applications as of now at this starter level. You need the MetaTrader 5 and then you'll need the blocker, any blocker. For this case, I'm going to be recommending you to use Exness, okay? So I've right now uninstalled those two applications or those two blockers because I want to reinstall them and I show you how you connect to one into the other. So watch this video. So from the App Store, I will install Exness. Then I also install MetaTrader 5. Okay, so these applications are also available on the app. Is it Play Store or Android? Okay, Android Play Store. So right now I've installed the MetaTrader 5 and then I'm waiting for the Exness. Okay, Exness has also installed. So right now let me go to what? I will open Exness. So as Exness opens, please remember I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to do forex trading until you hit your master level. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in because I already have the account. Then at this point, okay, so you create your pin just in case so that you remember you can relog in anytime. Okay, so you come to this upper section here, then you continue. Okay, so when you continue like this, you come and tap MetaTrader 5 because we're going to use MetaTrader 5. So you either choose demo or your account. Okay, demo or your account. For this case, I'm going to choose your account. Okay, so then you give it a nickname. Let me say market decipher. So I save changes, then you continue. You provide it with a password. Ensure you remember this password because this is going to be your trading password. Okay, so market decipher account has been created successfully. Now we are going, as you see guys, it has been created successfully. Now we're going to connect that into MetaTrader 5. Okay, into MetaTrader 5. In the App Store here, we downloaded two apps, Exness and then MetaTrader 5. So we're going to MetaTrader 5. Okay, so here we shall allow, then accept. So you come here where you see trade accounts. Okay, so you tap trade accounts, then you tap this plus button. So we are going to look for the blocker. Exness in this case is going to be using what we call Exness Technologies Limited. That is their name. Okay, so Exness Tech. So as you see, it is here, Technologies Limited. You tap there. Now we are going back to what? To our Exness. Okay, Exness. So in Exness, you tap here details. Okay, details. You tap details. Then from there you go to what? To settings. When you reach this step, this is the information we need. We need login and then server. Okay, so for this case, server is MT5 Rio 9. Okay, you note that server. You come back here and then you look for it. Okay, you look for MT5 Rio 9. Then you come back to Exness and then copy this, copy the login and then paste it here. After pasting it, then you enter the password you created. Okay, enter the password you created. So yeah, it has fetched the balance 0000. Okay, even it has no history because I've just created this account. Then you can see market decipher. Okay, yeah, this is Market Decipher. Not this account number, because it's going to be the account you shall be using. I'll be making deposit. When you want to deposit on this account, you come to Exness again, so you can see deposit, withdraw, and other options. So wait for other steps in the coming videos, please. If this video is useful, make sure you like and then subscribe or follow wherever it is posted. Then another thing is that when you're going to use Exness, please you'll find the link in the description, okay, so that you use my partnership link. Okay, so nice time, traders.